Hello, students. Hello, and welcome to Geeky Wiki. Okay, so I am your mentor, your brother, Pratik. Right. So you know that here the channel for the mathematics and as well as the computers also. So I will teach you the mathematics portion, and today we will continue for the coordinate system of class 9 CBSE, or you can say NCERT. Okay. So let's start, students. The coordinate system. Okay, it's a most popular chapter, you can say, right? It's very much important for you to score good marks, right? So I will give you the some brief story about it. The first is the Rene Descartes. Have you heard the name? I don't think, but the Rene Descartes was the father of the coordinate system, right? You can say. One day he was lying on the bed and he was pointing a point and intended to find his position. So that's why he invented this coordinate system, which is called the Cartesian system also. The Cartesian system. Okay? Okay. So here I will describe you the short concepts and some both of numericals, two or three. Just conceptual channel it is, not a khub, not a very big. You can say the video will be right. Okay, let's start. Here there are two axes or two coordinates, two axes. One we call x and another one we call y. Okay, they intersects at O, or you can say 0, which coordinate is 0, comma 0. I will explain you. The system is like that. Here it is the x-axis, here it is the y-axis. Here it is the x dashed, and you can say it is the y dashed. Okay, it is the positive portion of x-axis, so it is positive, and it is the negative portion of the x-axis, that's why it is negative. And it is the y-axis positive side, and it is the y plus, and it is the y negative. And the coordinate, as well as I said, its intersecting point is 0. Okay. Now, always remember it is the first quadrant, it is the second quadrant, it is the third quadrant, and it is the fourth quadrant. Due to this plus and this plus, x positive side, y positive side, it is the plus plus quadrant. Due to its x negative side and y's positive side, it's the negative positive quadrant. Third quadrant is negative. You see, x is the negative side and y is negative side. So negative negative quadrant. And fourth, x positive, y negative. So here we know that if we describe anyone's coordinate, coordinate means the position. Position means the coordinate, right? So we describes as a x comma y, the position of x and the position of y. Means if it is your house and you going to school here, okay. So how much direction you will go, right? X direction or y direction, okay. So this is in the 2D plane. The two axes, two dimensions, 2D, right? X axis and the y axis. Okay. So let's continue. The if I say any point that lies on, you can say the two or three, right? Two comma 3 point. Two comma 3 point means what? Means x has the 2 unit and y has the 3 unit. Another we can say we will go forward to the x axis I will draw it again. X-axis positive side, x-axis negative side, y-axis positive side, and y-axis negative side. Remember that, students. It is very much important, right? If you are going to x of 2 means x 2 unit from where? It is the intersecting point 0. Means 1, 2. The 1, 2, 3. The 2 for the x. So you are in here. Now it is not the complete. Now you are going 3. Where? For y. Y path you will go to 3. 1, 2, 3. Suppose it is suppose. Okay. X 1, 2, 3. So here is the point 2, comma 3. Okay. So this system is called the Cartesian system, as well as I said it before. Right. This is the main concept. Now it is not completed. I will clear it very much. Suppose I will give you the point x comma 0, 0 comma y. This. What will be the coordinates and where will be the points lie? As well as I will draw x, x dash, y, and y dash. Right? X is the what? X is the value of x in x coordinate. It is not defined, so x is some arbitrary values, and y is 0 means y's value is 0. That's why it starts at the 0 point. Means here is the x distance, and where y is 0, no lift up, no lift down, so it is the point x0. Always remember that x0 never happens. Means x value is 0, means it is lied upon y axis, and y0 means it lies upon x axis. Here x comma 0, y0 means lies on x-axis. See, x-axis. As well as if I give 0 comma 3, right? So 0 comma 3 means here 0, here x, here y, x dash, and y dash, right? 0 comma 3, x is 0, so it is the starting point. Here to 3, 1, 2, 3. Suppose you are taking it as like that, 1, 2, 3. It is the 0 comma 3 point. Okay, so 0 comma 3 point, you see, this is the 0 comma 3 point. This. So here is x 0, that way is light upon the y axis, no x value. You will do this in the graph paper in your upcoming classes in class 10 or 11. Graph paper will be used. Okay, so know about the worry and don't rush. It's a basic concept. Hmm. Now, said that Cartesian system is very much popular. Okay, now it is about the 2D. When you will learn the 3D systems, that then x, y, z will become the axes. It is about your higher study. So I will do only for the coordinate system of class 9 syllabus accordingly. And suppose you have given that 2 comma 3 point and minus 4 comma minus 5 point and minus 2 comma 3 points. These 3 points you have to put in your graph paper, or you will clear it concept. Then how we'll draw? See, it is the coordinates, right? X, x dash, y, and y dash. 2 comma 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And minus 4. Minus 4 means here is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, and the drawing is little consumed. So when it's messy drawing, don't react upon it, and I am drawing. Okay, 1, 2, like to minus 4 and 5. Minus 4 means x value, and y means 5 y is value. Okay, so minus 4 means 1, 2, 3, 4 in the negative direction. So here it is the minus 4 point. And the 5 is positive. Look, 5 is positive. So you will go up, na? Positive means key. Go up, negative means down for y-axis. So down. So minus 4 and 5 for the positive. 1, 2, 3. So suppose it is here 5. Minus 4 comma 5. Okay. Now the point is minus 2 comma minus 3 if it happens. Then what we will do? Minus 2 comma minus 3. So 1, 2, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Here 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay. So minus 2, minus 3, as well as y-axis we should draw 1, 2 and 3. In y-axis we will draw what? Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Minus 2, minus 3. As well as I repeated now again, that the first quadrant, second quadrant, third and fourth quadrant. Did you remember? So minus is the x value, when x takes the negative and y also takes the negative. So two negative sides. Two negative sides means which quadrant? Third quadrant. Okay, I explained it to you before. Third quadrant. So minus 2 and minus 3. Minus 2 means 0 here. It is the starting point. Minus 1, minus 2. Here I am come. Okay, so minus 3. Minus 3 means where? Up or down? Down. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. It is the main point. Here's to here. It is the coordinate of minus 2 and minus 3's position. Okay, students. So it is the basic concepts and the basic idea about the coordinate geometry. The numericals not too much tough. Okay. If you have any problem, you can contact me or you can share your comment through our YouTube channel. I will recommend another video or I will give you another video on coordinate axis that will help you more. Okay. Bye students, and that's all